Welcome to the tutorial for using Live View with CameraRC. CameraRC Live View allows you to display the live view image from your camera on the computer screen and to capture that image for those Nikon cameras that support Live View. To activate Live View, you first need to select what Live View mode you're going to operate in. You can either select handheld or tripod. We will start this tutorial with tripod mode. You can also set the Live View release mode as desired. You should reference your Nikon manuals for more information on these modes if needed. When in tripod mode, you can select whether to show the Live View contrast focus point on the Live View display. We'll turn that on for now. You can also set whether to restart Live View after an image capture. So let's go to Live View and take a picture. So I've turned Live View on, and we can see that we're viewing a Live View image. I have the Live View focus point on just to show you if I turn it off and back on. We can center the focus point back to its central point. So one thing we can do when we're in Live View is we can zoom in and zoom out. This allows us to, if we're focusing, to take a close look at what we're focusing on and to make fine adjustments. You can see that we can move the focus point around on the screen by pressing the buttons here, left and right, up and down, that allow us to move it. And we can focus in and out manually using the focus buttons. The focus buttons are variable speed. The longer you press them, the faster they go, and you get fine-tuning by pressing them singularly. So here we'll try and get a nice sharp focus on this. And then we can capture an image. You'll momentarily see the image you've captured, and then you'll see Live View restart. And you can see we're in Live View again. There's my hand. You've also got autofocus available if you want to use it. You can autofocus by pressing the autofocus button. It will now attempt to focus. At first you'll see it go out of focus, and then if it's able to focus, you'll get a green focus indication. This is using the contrast autofocus mode on the camera. So now I'm going to turn off Live View. And we're going to go to handheld mode and just quickly go over handheld. And in handheld mode, uses focus points instead of the contrast autofocus. If you're going to be manually setting the focus points, be sure to first set the camera to single focus area mode, as it is here. And you can do that either manually or by first locking the camera. And now we're going to start Live View mode in. And we're going to see that we can go and we can set a focus point to where we want it to be. I'm going to make it near the top here in the center. And we can now capture with that set focus point. And we can see it's near the top center, and of course we're going to go back to Live View. Turn it off. So this concludes the tutorial on shooting Live View with CameraRC. Next in our tutorial series is setting white balance and picture controls.